This is lesson 1-9, standard form and degrees of polynomials. Let's discuss some vocabulary right off the bat. The degree of any polynomial is the sum of the highest powers of each variable that is present in the expression. Here are some examples. In the first one, x is the only variable that is present, and it has an exponent of 1, so 5x is of degree 1. 4x squared y to the third has two variables present. The highest powers of each, x has 2, y has 3. I need to add those together, so 4x squared y to the third is a fifth degree polynomial. We have multiple terms in the next one, but it's only one variable, x. The highest power of x is 3. So x to the third plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 is a third degree polynomial. And number 4 is simply a 0 degree polynomial. Standard form of any polynomial is always written in decreasing power order, just like I have in the third example above. That polynomial is written in standard form because the powers are decreasing from the biggest to the smallest as we go left to right. Here are the function names based on the degree that they have. If it's degree 0, we call it a constant. If it's the first degree equation, we call it linear. Second degree equations are called quadratic. Third degree functions are called cubics. And anything above 3, we just name it with its number and the degree. So a 4 degree of degree 4 would be the 4th degree. Of the 5 degree would be 5th degree polynomial. Here's some review vocabulary for you. Algebraic expressions are always classified by the number of terms it contains. Multiple terms are always separated by a plus or a minus. We know that a one-termed algebraic expression is a monomial, a binomial has 2 terms, a trinomial has 3 terms, and anything bigger than that, we simply just call it a polynomial. Here are some examples for you. Put each polynomial into standard form and name the polynomial based on its degree and number of terms. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to try it on your own. For the first one being 3x plus 4x squared, the first thing I need to do is switch those terms. We can do that because of the commutative property. So in standard form, this is 4x squared plus 3x. Because it has 2 terms and its highest degree is 2, we call this a quadratic binomial. The second one, we write it in standard form by going 5x to the third plus 7x plus 1. It has 3 terms, which makes it a trinomial, and the degree is 3, which makes it a cubic. Therefore, this polynomial is a cubic trinomial. If you're having any issues in any portion of this lesson, please make sure you are emailing me or consulting me in class.